Good morning. A very beautiful morning, dear students. Welcome back, English Grammar, Class 5. With this beautiful morning, we'll start again with our English Grammar workbook, a new concept from English Grammar. This is chapter number 14, Prepositions. So here today we are going to learn the meaning of prepositions and examples of it. See the definition of preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relation between a word and a noun or pronoun that comes after it. It means the preposition shows that the relation between noun and pronoun. So it sometimes shows the direction, it sometimes shows the position, or it sometimes shows the time. So it is the related with noun and pronoun. In the sentences given below, as the underlined words are preposition, first one, a crow sat on the branch of a tree. Here in this sentence, on, off, this shows that these are the preposition which is related with the noun and pronoun. Second one, there was a piece of cheese in its beak. Here also the word shows that the relation between the noun and pronoun. So here on, off, these are the prepositions. Third one, a fox sat under the tree and looked at the cheese. Here under and at also shows the what? Yes, relation between noun and pronoun. Right? Next one. What do prepositions indicate? What do prepositions indicate? First one, some preposition shows the direction. See the example. The boy walked towards the house. Now here, where was the boy walked? Towards the house. The word shows that the direction. So, some preposition shows the direction. Now next one. The fox looked at the cheese. Here also the direction shows by using the preposition at. Next one. Second one, some preposition shows position. There was a hut among the trees. Now here, where was the hut? Among the trees. Now among shows the position of the hut, which is nearby the tree, among the tree. Next one, the monkey sat under the tree. Now here under shows the position of the monkey. Where was the monkey sat? Under the tree. So here among and under, these preposition shows the position of the noun and pronoun. Next one, third one, some preposition shows time. It means some preposition indicate us the particular time. Let's see some example of it. We shall meet at 9 o'clock. Now here at shows the exact time of the meeting. Next one. The wolves come out and around midnight. Around shows the timing, that is the midnight. So some preposition which we have used to show the particular time, right? So today we understood about the prepositions, that the relation between the word which is related with noun and pronoun. Sometimes we use preposition that shows the direction, then position, and some preposition shows the particular time, right? I hope do you understood the concept of this preposition. You have to learn more about it and find out more examples of preposition. Okay? Let we meet in the next lecture. Thank you.